Alrighty, today we are going to talk about unit rate. And the problem we have is Judy's grapevine grew 15 inches in 6 weeks. And the question is, what is the unit growth rate inches per week? All right, so first we're going to start off and just label our ratio. We have inches, and the per is the fraction bar here. So inches per week. And we'll get rid of that little thing. All right. And so far we know that her grapevine grew 15 inches. So everything to do with inches we're going to put up here in the numerator. And it was in 6 weeks. So everything to do with weeks is going to be down here in the denominator. Okay. To get a unit rate, what we're looking for is how many inches per week. That means, in English we're kind of lazy, it means per 1 week. So I get right the word. Per 1 week. How many inches did it grow in 1 week? So we need a 1 down here in the weeks part. We need 1 week. And now we're going to use a giant 1. And we're going to think about how did we go from 6 to 1. Okay. And we had to divide 6 divided by 6 equals 1. Okay, so if I divide the denominator by 6, I have to divide the numerator by 6. Here's our giant 1, because 6 divided by 6 is 1. So now all I need is 15 divided by 6. 2 times 6 is 12. And I have 3/6, which is the same thing as 2.5. Or you could write it as a decimal. Either way is fine. Okay, so I could write 2.5. And then I'm going to write a nice sentence. So I'm going to say Judy's grapevine grew 2.5 inches per week. That's my unit rate. Okay. So the key is when it says unit, when you see the word unit, we need a 1, means per 1, inches per 1 week. Just like miles, so this is a separate thing, miles per hour is the same thing as miles per 1 hour. We're just lazy, we don't say that 1. So that's the same thing as mph, miles per hour. And if I were to write that as a ratio, miles, the fraction bar is the per hour, miles per hour. And then I would fill in whatever I knew about the speed already. Alrighty, thank you.